Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. First, open any editing application. Go to New Project and add your photo. And also add a photo of a fruit, flower, thing, or a character, place, drink, and song. Now select Format 9:16. Adjust all photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set all photos to this time duration. Now add text. Go to text and type "me if I were." Choose style and font according to you. Place the text wherever you want. Apply this text layer till the end of the video. Now split text layer from all transition point. Now write a fruit, a flower, thing, movie character, place, a drink, and a song in place of existing text. Now check your video. Now select resolution and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.